Hi my friends, this is Ian Stewart over at Buildabiz Online, and in this video what I want to do is to show you how to build a simple splash page. So I have made this a little bit bigger so you can see what's happening up in the browser bar on the different links that I'm clicking. Okay, so we click on our tools. Now, depending on whether you are a free member, you won't be able to build splash pages, I'm sorry to say, but upgrade just for 1 month and try it. That's what I say. That's my advice to you, because you'll find out exactly how simple it is to use our splash page builder. Right, so we click on view your tool selection, and then we scroll down to our simple splash and capture page builder. Okay, it becomes a capture page if you add a capture form on it. But to all intents and purposes, this is a splash page. So we click on there and we come all the way down to the bottom. You can see I've got a number of them here, and I'm going to click test splash page. You have to give it a name and you have to do this, otherwise it won't work. Okay, you have to save that reference name and then you have to follow these instructions just here. Your splash page was successfully named. Now choose your template. If you don't choose a template, it will not show. So please click here and let me choose a template. So I'm going to choose this one just here. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom of the page. There's quite a lot of templates, so choose the ones that you want, and I'm going to click on there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, you can either go all the way down to the bottom. Let's do that. Okay, to edit your splash page, just click here. So here it goes. We're going to call it something. So otherwise, let me just show you before we start. Let's just show you what it looks like. You can click at the bottom there, look, and there it is. So what we've got, a beautiful gradiated background and just an empty box. So we need to add things to it, and that's where we do it, just here. But first of all, some information for you. You need to call it something. So I'm going to call this test page, because these are what you call your meta information, and what it'll do, Google eventually, the more times you use it, the more times you use that splash page, will what's called crawl it with spiders. And if you don't like spiders, I'm sorry I said that, but it'll rank your splash page eventually. Okay, we need a description in it. So this is my test page. Okay, and some keywords. Now, if I was doing this, now these keywords, by the way, have got to be relative to the information that you're going to add just down here. So let's say it's for Buildabiz Online. I'm going to put on here Build a Biz Online, and then after each keyword or each key phrase, a key phrase is more than one word, you need to just put a comma. Then I'm going to put affiliate, and then another one, another comma, marketing, and then I'm just going to put tools. Okay, for now, and then I'm going to put a full stop. Okay, now then, let's add some content down here. Now, where can we find content for this test page? What I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to Buildabiz Online by clicking on there, and then clicking on the home page, and I'm going to copy this. Now, I will tell you, if you directly copy things like off websites, can you see this slightly grey background? If I add that in there now, it would give the slightly grey background. Let me just show you, look. What I would do if I was pasting something into this box, I would simply put Control V. Can you see that slightly grey in the background? We don't want that. I don't want that. And I'm sure you wouldn't want to. So what I would do, I would go down to Notepad. I would bring up Notepad. Everybody's got Notepad. And there's a bit of word in there that I've used on another page. So what I'm going to do is bring that down. And I'm going to paste that text that we copied off our website. And we're going to go Copy. And we're going to go Control. Hold the Control key down and V, and that's pasted that. So that's gorgeous, but it's far too small. So what we're going to do, we are going to give it some definition by doing that. And I'm also going to change it to one of my favorite texts, which is for Dana. And I'm also going to click 22. 22, because it's a heading. And I'm going to save it. So now, if we go here, we can't see any changes. But if we refresh that, we will see those changes. Now then, for that other bit of information that you saw earlier on here, what I'm going to do is just simply copy this. Copy. Remember, this is only a test. So it's by no means a finished splash page. I'm going to put that there, okay? And I'm going to have this on the left. Can you see left? That's the center alignment. That's the right hand. So I'm going to go Control V. And what I'm going to do, I can see that's going to be too tiny. So I'm going to go to Banana again. Oops, sorry. I'm going to go to, no, that's all right. On normal. I'm going to go to there. We're going to leave that here, and I said we're going to go here. That's better. We're going to go to Banana. We've done that. And then we're going to go to a size, and we're going to make this round about 18. Then I'm going to click Save and see what that looks like. So, there we have it. Starting to look like one. That's good. Now, what we need is some kind of call for action. Some of our templates have got a button on it. And when you've got a button on it, you can simply add the text there. But this one hasn't. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I've gone one underneath, and I'm going to go to the center. Okay, and I'm going to put click for more info. Just like that. Okay. Might even be best to put information. I'm going to make it bold. Highlight it, make it bold. And I'm also going to make that round about, I think we ought to make it about 22. And then what we need to do, we need to find the little chain. Can you see it? Just there. We need to add a link. Now the protocol for Buildabiz Online, because we are a secure site, so you know you can trust us, it is HTTPS. So we're just going to put there, build a bizonline.com, and then what I'm going to do is put a question mark, and then I'm going to put Buildabiz, because that is my username. Just like that, and I'm going to click OK. So that becomes a clickable link, and it's called a call to action. So that's what you want on your page. So I'm going to click on there, and now we are going to try it. We haven't seen the changes, so we refresh the page, and there it is. This is a simple splash page, remember that. So I'm going to click on here, see if it opens up onto my home page at Buildabiz Online, and there we have it. There's my username, and there is my picture and my name, so I know it works. Okay, there we have it. That's how to build yourself a simple splash page at Buildabiz Online. You can add pictures in here, you can add all sorts, anything that you want. You can add arrows, all sorts of different things, but this is a simple splash page. So thanks for listening, and bye bye for now.